Heyo! Where the bitches at?
Hello, Konata. Pleasure as always.
Greetings, random Mindlink buddy. I hope your day has been prosperous.
And good day to you, Mindling buddy.
Enough of your mind blathering. Plant me in the ground, my slaves, so that my roots shall begin to take hold of your pathetic world.
If you excuse me, I have things I need to attend to.
Oh yes! Dig deeper! Deeper! Don't stop there! Deeper still! Oh yes!
Okay, now that we're back on the saddle more or less, I think we should really start coming up with new episodes, because God knows our YouTubers do not like the crap we've been putting out so far.
All in all, it was a good year of laziness filled to the brim with Kigo fanfiction, MLP Clop fanfiction. Ah, those were good times, weren't they, Kagami?
Yeah! Konata, what have I told you about going through my browser history? I mean, what?
It's just adorable how she keeps trying to hide her perverted side, isn't it, Tsukasa?
God, I hate you.
Well, all joking aside, I suppose we should be writing down ideas. Since when do we write?
Huh. With you two actually helping me, I might be able to get some of this done for a change. Just let me know if you need any help.
Say, Kagami, about this scene here.
I think a creeper dentist joke would be good there.
Hey, Kagami, what do you think Gimp Patty would say here? Hey, Kagami?
Are you asking me because you're too lazy to write anything?
What, of course not, Kagami.
Oh, okay then.
Now, what do you think the next 5 episodes worth of dialogue should be here?
Fuck you and go home, Konata!
Scene change!
Well, that plan didn't go over well.
Heyo! I've come for your porn!
Hey, Yuine-san. Right on time. Hey, you wanna help me out with some new episode ideas?
Oh, you're making new episodes, huh? Sure, I can help with that. You know, I took ad-libbing and, you know what? I am not gonna lie to you, cousin, but you are on your own.
Pick it! The otaku mind wasn't meant to write this much, it hurts!
Oh, I know. How about you take a little gaming break, you know, help you get back in the mood of writing? Just a quick hour of gaming and done.
Oh, yeah, a quick game won't hurt.
12 hours later!
Fuck. Okay. I'm just gonna get on my computer and watch some videos. I'll just watch a few videos on YouTube, maybe that'll help get my creative juices flowing, and I can get right back to writing.
From somewhere back in the long ago, sent a man a photo.
Yes. Come on.
Hey, I'm Grump. I'm not so Grump. And we're
Next day.
God damn it!
Lucky Pervs.